Yeah.
You didn't quit? You didn't... You're really like against all odds. You're doing something that no one in the family's done, that none of your friends have done. You really don't know where this is going to end. And you're kind of adventuring into an odd place. You're discovering all new stuff that's never been done. And it's great to do this because one day you'll get tested in a different way and you'll be mentally stronger. And so I'm proud of you because this is all tough now, but it will pay off when you need to show your strengths, or, you know, it's almost like you're going to the gym, you know, it will pay off one day. Like, I don't want to do it. I don't want to run. I don't want to lift. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to eat. You go, I know, but the future me is telling you, this is great that you're doing this, because when you need it, you'll be strong enough.
But gotta keep moving forward.